Forget the marketing. The greatest EV salesman in history is not Elon Musk. It is oil over $100 a barrel. Since the war in Iran effectively closed the Strait of Hormuz, the pain at the pump just became impossible to ignore. And while everyone is arguing about high oil prices, electric cars just made the whole thing irrelevant. And here are 4 Chinese electric cars that liberate you from the pump. Plug them in overnight and your daily charging cost is less than a cup of coffee. But that is not the crazy part. And get this, one of them was designed by a former Ferrari and Lamborghini designer. They charge faster than your iPhone. One of them sold over 1 million units in 25 months, and every single one scored 5 stars in independent safety tests. And the urgency to switch is not only about saving the planet, it is about fuel sovereignty in style. While we Americans are watching from behind a tariff wall, Australia, the UK, and Canada are already getting their jailbreak passes from the petrol pump. And it gets crazier when you find out the prices of these cars. Your combustion engine is going to look like a very expensive mistake. And you may feel a sense of betrayal about why nobody told you sooner. To top it all, we have a mystery bonus car at number 5. This monster charges in 5 minutes. You can drive from Vancouver to Calgary, nearly 1,000 kilometers, on a single charge. And when you find out its price, you are going to drop to the ground way sooner than the price of oil. What are we waiting for? Let's go! This is the BYD Dolphin. In Australia, it is the Atto 1. And do not let the cute name fool you. This is no slow fish. Before we even look at it, this thing sold 1 million units in 25 months. The Toyota Corolla took 43 months to do the same. Let that sink in. From the outside, this thing looks like someone shrunk a hot hatch down and forgot to remove the attitude. 6 angled headlight strips give it an aggressive little face, like it has somewhere more important to be than wherever you are going. Hidden door handles along the side. Full-width light bar at the back that at night glows like it escaped from a concept car show. You park this next to a Volkswagen Polo, and the Polo suddenly looks like it is applying for retirement. Step inside. Cleaner than you expect. Physical climate control buttons. Actual buttons, not buried in a submenu 3 taps deep. And that vehicle-to-load port means you can run a kettle, a laptop, or power tools straight from the battery. Your car is now also your generator. The same blade battery that Toyota is quietly putting in their own cars. 310 kilometers of range. 6 years on the car, 8 years on the battery. On a Chinese brand. I was not expecting that. 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Charging this overnight costs less than a can of Coke from the servo you are about to stop visiting. While the person behind you at the servo is punching in their PIN and wincing, you plugged in last night and woke up full. Every single night. The price I'm about to say is going to make your petrol bill feel like a personal attack. Australia from $23,990. UK from £18,650. That is cheaper than a Toyota Corolla. The car that took 43 months to sell 1 million units. This one did it in 25 and costs less. I genuinely do not know what Toyota is going to do about this. Would you go electric at this price? Drop it in the comments. But the next one beat Tesla in its own backyard, without anyone noticing. Keep watching. And this car could be the petrol station jailbreak pass you are looking for. 530 kilometers of range. You would never have to visit one ever again. And just so you know, the car designed by a former Ferrari and Lamborghini designer is still coming. But first, you need to see this. At number 2 is the MG4, the car that quietly rewrote what a family hatchback is supposed to look like. MG calls this emotional design aesthetics. One look and you understand why. Petal-shaped 3-eyed headlamps in a shark nose face, wide and low and staring at you like they already know they won. A rising belt line with sharp creases. Around the back, a full-width LED light bar that at night stretches the entire width of the car like a neon signature. Park this next to a Tesla Model 3, and the Model 3 suddenly looks like it is trying too hard. Now the inside. 12.8-inch screen, sharp and fast. And right there in the center console, simplified, clean, no clutter. My mate sat in one and said he was ready for his jailbreak pass, right then and there. 530 kilometers of range. On a single charge. 10 to 80% in 25 minutes. 1 coffee and a scroll through your phone. Rear-wheel drive, which means it corners like it means it, not like a shopping trolley. 7-year warranty on a Chinese car. and they put it through the crash tests. 5 stars. Euro NCAP and ANCAP. Independent. Your family is as safe in this EV as they would be in a Mercedes S-Class. The price is going to sting, but not you, the competition. UK from £32,995. In Australia from $42,990. A Tesla Model 3 in the UK starts at £40,990. You are getting more range, a cleaner interior, and you are keeping £8,000 in your pocket. That is 2 weeks somewhere warm with the family. Paid for by the car you were going to buy anyway. I need a minute. Would you trust a Chinese car that beat Tesla on home soil? Tell me I am wrong in the comments. But the next one does not just want your petrol money, it wants your sports car money too. You know that trip to Cancun you keep postponing? The petrol pump has been eating it, bite by bite. Fill up after fill up. This car gives it back to you. At number 3 is the BYD Seal. BYD calls this ocean aesthetics, and the moment you see it, you understand why. The nose swoops down like a purebred sports car with menacing dual U-shaped LED daytime running lights and hidden laser-like main beams. Deep muscle creases on the hood. Move to the side and look at those functional aerodynamic gills behind the front wheels. That too on a family sedan. And those door handles are electronically retractable. This car literally reaches out to you when you approach. Meanwhile, I am still yanking my door handle like a caveman. At the back, a water drop dot matrix taillight that at night looks like it dropped from a high-budget sci-fi movie. Park this next to a BMW 3 Series and the BMW suddenly tries to hide its identity. Now step inside. You are greeted by a large center screen that rotates. You press a button and it pivots from portrait to landscape. I have sat in cars costing twice as much that cannot do that. 570 kilometers on a single charge. 800-volt architecture, same as a Porsche Taycan. 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes. That is one episode of your favorite show on Netflix. 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. To put that in perspective, that is faster than a Porsche Taycan 4S, a car that costs nearly 3 times as much. They put it through the crash tests and it came back with 5 stars from both Euro NCAP and ANCAP. The same safety as a Volvo. Independent, not marketing. Charge it overnight for less than a chocolate bar. Yes, that is your entire daily fuel bill. Now the price. And this is where it gets personal for Tesla. In Australia from $43,990 and in UK from £34,490. A base Tesla Model 3 in the UK is £40,990. The Seal has more range, more consistent high-speed charging, a rotating screen, and it is £6,000 cheaper. That Cancun trip the petrol pump was eating? Get that booking going. Is the BYD Seal the Tesla killer, or does the badge still win? Drop it in the comments. But the one at number 4 is not trying to beat Tesla. It is trying to end the conversation entirely. Before I show you the mystery car, at number 4 is the car designed by Juanma Lopez, who spent years sculpting Ferraris and Lamborghinis for billionaires. But now, let us see what he has done for the rest of us. This is the Xpang G6. The front is dominated by a starlight LED bar that stretches edge to edge. No grille, no clutter, just a glowing band of light where the engine used to be. A fastback coupe roofline drops into a sharp rear overhang. Around the back, a full-width through-beam LED taillight spanning 1.2 meters of pure red light. When it brakes, it flashes. When it turns, it sweeps. At night, this thing does not look like a $54,000 car. It looks like a concept that escaped from a motor show. Step inside and it only gets better. A nearly 15-inch cinema screen filling the dash. 18 speakers. I am not joking. 18! Heated and ventilated seats front and rear. This is not just a daily driver. It is something you would brag about. The charging is where the logic really hits home. You plug this in before dinner. By the time you have finished eating and cleared the table, it is full. That is your entire week of driving sorted. 570 kilometers on a single charge. 5 stars from both Euro NCAP and ANCAP. That is Volvo-level safety protection. Comes with over-the-air update feature, so the G6 will be better in 6 months than the day you bought it. Your daily charging cost is less than a bottle of water from the petrol station you are never going back to. Now the price. And this is where it gets personal for every Tesla Model Y owner watching. In Australia, from $54,800. UK, from £37,990. A Tesla Model Y in Australia is $65,900. In the UK, £44,990. You are keeping $11,000 in your pocket. That is 4 years of charging costs sitting right back in your bank account. Would you make the switch, or are you staying loyal to Elon? Drop your vote in the comments. But do not go anywhere. The mystery car at number 5 is up next, and when you find out what it costs, everything changes. Okay, stop what you are doing, because here it is. Car number 5. This is the Denza Z9 GT, designed by Wolfgang Egger, the man who previously designed cars for Porsche, Audi, Alfa Romeo, and Lamborghini. That is not a coincidence. That is a declaration of war. It is a shooting brake wagon. Long, low, muscular. It looks like a Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo went to China, trained for 2 years, and came back angrier. 3 electric motors, 933 brake horsepower, 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, and BYD flash charging. Their own tagline is, ready in 5, full in 9, cold add 3. Let me translate. 10 to 70% in 5 minutes, the same time it takes to fill up a petrol car. 10 to 97% in 9 minutes. And if it is freezing outside, add 3 minutes. That is the entire winter penalty. 9 minutes to essentially full. A Porsche Taycan takes 22 minutes just to get to 80%. Over 800 kilometers of range on a single charge, independently tested. In China, it crosses 1,000 kilometers, the longest range pure electric car on the planet right now. The interior, 26 speakers from DVLA, the same French audio company that works with Apple. 3 screens across the full width of the dashboard, Napa leather throughout. A 4-liter fridge in the front center console holds 6 cans of Coke, and a 10-liter fridge behind the rear armrest holds 4 bottles of wine. And crab walk capability. This car can literally move sideways. I did not know I needed that until right now. BYD's own megawatt chargers add 300 kilometers of range in the time it takes to order and receive a flat white. Think about that. You walk in, you order, you wait, you drink it. You leave with 300 kilometers of range. UK around 50,000 pounds. Denza dealerships already open in Australia. A Porsche Taycan Sport Turismo starts at 110,000 pounds. Same German designer, same shooting brake body, same performance bracket, half the price. Porsche, are you okay? Is the Denza Z9 GT the Porsche killer? Or does the Stuttgart badge still win? Tell me in the comments.